Kwik Bench is made in America, and we want to represent her proudly. We've been making this product for over 40 years, and we believe it to be the highest quality available. And we strive to continue to make the Kwik Bench better and better. Kwik Bench is engineered with quality and construction that is unmatched. Its patented slide and track system is like nothing else on the market. When we manufacture Kwik Bench, we do not cut any corners. We give you a reliable, quality, safe product. Whether it's for your business or for your home, we want this to be the last bench you ever need. When talking about the durability and the lifespan of your Kwik Bench, I've been lucky enough to speak with users, just like you, who have had their Kwik Bench for decades and they are still using them. Kwik Bench is proudly made in the USA. The highest quality standards, craftsmanship. The only question, how will you use your Kwik Bench? Visit kwikbench.com for more information and for easy online ordering.